Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see what you have bought on Amazon. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to open Amazon. Once you've opened Amazon, you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the bottom right corner. Then after when you do that, you're going to click on your orders. Okay. Now, I haven't ordered anything in the past 3 months, but if you have ordered actually anything in the past 3 months, you're going to see your orders that you just ordered and the orders that you ordered like a long time ago. Now, of course, there's a cap on Amazon, but you can actually see any type of year since you signed up, since you signed in, since you signed up on Amazon. Okay, so you can see last 30 days, you can see last 3 months, and every single year since you've signed up on Amazon. There's also like not yet dispatched and canceled. Like let's see if I set on canceled and I click on apply, I'm going to see I just canceled an order over here. So you can see, and also there's also one thing you can do is actually click on buy again. There's a much more easier option also is once you go into the hamburger menu again, you're going to click on buy again, and every single thing you just bought, you're going to see over here that you can buy again, so you just know that you've bought it before. So basically this is how you can see the items that you bought on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you later.